This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that manages your listing. This ensures you have the right permissions. Once signed in, open Google Maps or the Google Business Profile Manager and search for your business name. Click your business and choose Manage or Edit Listing so you can access hours settings. Make sure you see the blue verification badge or owner label. If you don't, stop and request access because changing hours requires owner or manager rights. Now edit the hours section by clicking the pencil or Edit Hours button. This is where you change regular open and close times. For each weekday, enter start and end times, and if you close midday, add another time range. Once done, click Add Special Hours to schedule holidays or temporary closures so customers aren't misled. Make sure to double-check AM versus PM and use 24-hour format if preferred. This avoids common mistakes and keeps you. After updating hours, click Save or Apply and then refresh the public listing to confirm the changes propagated. This shows you how customers will see it. If edits don't appear, make sure you're an owner or manager, clear your browser cache, and try again. Sometimes propagation takes a few minutes. If problems persist, request access from the current owner or contact Google Business Support for help. This step resolves permission blocks and prevents incorrect hours from misleading customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.